Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to repair Duolingo Streak. So first of all, what you have to do is open the Duolingo app on your phone. Now once the app has been opened, you have to click on the streak or the fire icon, which is on the top side of your screen. Click on the fire icon and go back and check when you have broken your streak. As you can see, my streak is broken on 28th of January and today is 5th of February. So in order to repair my Duolingo streak, what I have to do is go to the settings of my phone. Now from here you have to search for the date and time. I will type date and time and you'll see the option called date and time. Click on it. Now what you have to do is, first of all, force close the Duolingo app. I will go to the app info. I will force stop it. After that, what I will do, I will go back to date and time. So as you can see, set time automatically. I will turn off this toggle and I will go to date and I will go back to January and go to 29th of January. Now what I will do, I will go back to Duolingo. I will open Duolingo once again. I will open Duolingo. Now if I go to the streak section, as you can see, I'm now on the 29th of January and I can start the streak from here, and I have to complete all the streaks until the date of 5th of February. After that, I will go back to date and time and fix my time once again, and that's how I will be able to repair my Duolingo streak. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.